We'll guide you through how to flip text in Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight motion on your device. Once it is ready, press the plus button located below to start creating a new project. Next, set up the project settings according to your needs, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, press the plus button located in the bottom right corner to add a new layer. From the available options, select Text to create a text layer. Type your desired text into the text box and confirm it so the text appears in the timeline. After entering the text, set the text alignment using the available alignment options. Next, choose a font that you like from the font section. Once the font has been selected, go to the size option and adjust the text size until it fits your project. After adjusting the size, open the text color option and choose the color that you want to use for the text. Once all of the text settings have been completed, open the Effects section for the selected text layer. From there, open the Effect browser and go to the 3D category to view the available three-dimensional effects. Inside the 3D menu, scroll through the list until you find the flip effect. When you locate the flip effect, select it to open the available preset list. From the preset options, choose the Flip Horizontal preset and apply it to your text layer. After applying the preset, adjust the available effect settings according to your preference. Continue adjusting the values until you are satisfied with the appearance of the effect. Once the settings have been configured, play the preview to see how the text looks with the applied flip effect. If the result matches your preference, then the process is complete. By following every step, you have successfully created flip text in Alight motion.